Well, quite a lot of pent-up energy in the atmosphere Wednesday afternoon and evening. We had some thunderstorms, some really quite heavy downpours. You can see the showers. That was earlier in the last 10, 12 hours or so. And then towards the end of the day on Wednesday, we saw those thunderstorms across some central and eastern areas. And the weather remains quite unsettled over the next few days. I say unsettled for a summer month. Fair bit of cloud out there across the Atlantic heading our way. And we'll see further showers developing over the next few days with low pressure in charge of the weather. So I think a showery day on the way for some of us on Thursday, but actually the showers will be very well scattered. So that does mean that many of us will miss them altogether.
Good morning, Carol. You know, I wonder how many people are going to be asking you, so about 8 o'clock Sunday evening in London, what's the weather going to be like?
I would imagine quite a lot, Naga, and it's looking like it might be wet at the moment, but of course that could change. Good morning, everyone. Today what we have is a fairly cloudy start to the day, and there'll be some showers around as well. But the sun will break through, and the showers today will be less frequent than yesterday, but they will be slow moving, and once again, they could be torrential with the potential there for some thunder and lightning. Now, temperatures 15 to about 22 degrees, but worth mentioning if you have an allergy to pollen, particularly grass pollen, look at these levels, high or very high across many areas. Good morning. It's a fairly cloudy start for many of us today, but the sun will come out for most, but there'll also be some showers which will be heavy and slow moving, apart from the north and the northwest, where you'll hang on to the cloud and some drizzle for much of the day. I'll have all the details later in the programme.
Absolutely. From one legend to another. Yeah, talking about you. Talking about you, Ms. Kirkwood.
That somebody else had come in. That was me pushing further up the running order. Good morning, everybody. What a lovely thing to say. Not true, of course, but thank you. Lovely picture this morning from North Yorkshire. Blue skies here, but it's not the case everywhere. Some of us starting off with a fair bit of cloud and some showers. But we're looking by the time we get to Thursday of highs of 24 degrees. That's more like it, Naga and Charlie.
That deserves a woohoo, doesn't it, Carol?
It does, but even so do the other ones. 2022, that's not too bad either.
Do you know, it's amazing, isn't it? Because you sometimes look at these temperatures. I was very lucky. I had a week away and I was in Wales and it was like 19, 18 and you think, oh, it's not warm enough. But actually, if that sun hits you, it just feels glorious, doesn't it? It just makes you feel so good.
The sun just, well, it makes me feel good. Anyway, I love the sun, but of course it has its ups and its downs, doesn't it?
Well, you've got a really good mix there. That's a happy gardener's weather forecast, really, isn't it? Bit of rain, bit of sunshine, everything.
Yes, absolutely right. And your grass will certainly be growing with those conditions.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
What's this outbreak of niceness going on?
I know. It's the end of the week. I know. It's the end of the week. Next week, Carol, we'll be back to normal,
It's making me feel uneasy, I'm telling you.
Lovely and spiky again.
Do you know what? I think I might have next week off.
Good. It's always better when you do. Take care.
8:50 the time now.